find more
I
art.
think there was another one over there.
Oh,
It's gonna be big bird.
Just don't
no,
put your
I
finger there,
think,
okay?
I think they don't want the finger.
He gonna fly in a month or two.
And he's gonna fly like a...
¡Ay! Te me quiso, te me metidito.
Like a crow or a raven.
I also found a bug with my dad.
Mario Xihua,
Why that?
we're looking for another. ¿Cómo se dice?
What?
No, insectos.
Hands.
Worm.
Right here.
Yeah, 14. Yes.
Eat it. Here, I found it.
¿Más? ¿Más insectos?
2 bugs. One for you, one for him.
For my dad.
No, for him. One for him.
Hey, it's a little letter.
So cute. I think he feel cold.
Another one?
You see he can open his eyes?
Then we have to touch
Watch
his
out,
mouth
Kaylin,
first.
Kaylin.
Then he realize.
Can he smell?
No, he just need to touch.
Good
Eat it.
birdie, good birdie. Okay, okay.
No, don't touch it.
No more.
He's gonna be big for you to have eyes.
How do you feel, Helson? Helson,
I feel good.
you feel good?
I feel good for that.
No, no tan adentro porque le va a doler la
He
garganta
does
con...
it though. Él...
¿O sí? ¿No, ¿Lo jalas?
No. Good point.
Le va a doler la garganta al pobre pájaro.
Okay. We need to find a rock. Under rocks, there are bugs.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah.
And find a snail for him.
Where do you,
Yeah.
where do you
I-
Yo diría que
about-
traería unas
where do you
5, pero
learn about
ando lesionado.
I don't know.